Here I'm talking and I don't even have the thing on. Here's part 2, absolute values. To get rid of the absolute value with a variable in it, you have to break it up into 2 parts. So I just write it without the absolute value, and then take the opposite. So equals is always or, so I would add 6, divide by 3. Here I would subtract 6, divide by -3. Now, since there's no inequalities, the graph doesn't have much to it. You have a dot, solid dot, and you have another dot. Now, whenever you have an absolute value with a variable in it, you have to break it up into 2 parts. So 4x minus 8 is greater than or equal to 12. Now greater is or the opposite. And I'm running into the other problem. Oh no. So add 8. So 4x is greater than or equal to 20. Divide by 4. Hey. Here subtract 8. Divide by -4. So, -1, solid dot, 5, solid dot, Now this one, less than is and, so write it. How many parts are there, Bob? That's right, 2. Thank you, Bob. How about you, Julie? You paying attention? How many parts? 2. Good job, Julie. Hey. Then and, got 5 points for just putting and down, even if it was wrong. So subtract 4, -2x is less than 2. Take the opposite. Add 4. Divide by 2. So it's everything between -1 and 5. Now this one. A dear old man said something that I thought would make the problem easier. And it was, get the absolute value by itself. Get it by yourself. Oh, well, hello. So, subtract 10. Then divide by -5. Oh my goodness, but whenever you divide by negative, you have to switch the inequality. So I'd have x plus 1 is less than 8. And you thought it was an or because it says greater, but when you get it by itself, it's really an and. So I took the opposite of it, just multiplied the inside by -1. So subtract 1. Yes. Add 1. Yes. Divide by -1. Yes. So it's everything between -9 and 7. Yes, my friends. So here, f of -4, you put -4 in for x. So it'd be 16 minus 16, which is the big 0. Yes. Why am I talking that way? I don't know. Breakfast must have been too big. So, g of -3, going to put -3 in for x, so 2 minus a -3. So it's 2 plus 3, and contrary to most of the class, 2 plus 3 is 5, not 6. Hey. Hello.